Hi everyone. Today I will talk about my daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I get up from my bed and stretch my body. Then I open the window and take fresh air. After that, I make my bed. I like to start my day early. Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes I take a quick shower. I feel fresh and ready for the day. Then I get dressed. After that, I have my breakfast. I usually eat toast and drink coffee or tea. Sometimes I eat eggs or fruit. Breakfast is very important for me. It gives me energy. Then, I go to school. I carry my bag and walk or take a bus. At school, I attend my classes. I study different subjects and learn new things. I also talk with my friends. After school, I come back home. I take some rest and eat lunch. Then, I do my homework. Sometimes I watch TV or use my LES. In the evening, I relax or help my family. At night, I have my dinner. Then I brush my teeth again. I check my phone or read a book. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. That is my daily routine. Thank you.